Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure thing. Inheritance is a powerful concept in object-oriented programming that allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class. Let's create a simple example in Python to illustrate how inheritance works. In this example, animal is the parent class, and dog and cat are child classes that inherit from animal. The animal class has a constructor to initialize the name attribute and a speak method. Both dog and cat inherit from animal and have their own additional methods, bark and meow. Instances of these classes can access both the methods from their own class and the methods from the parent class. This concept allows for code reuse and helps organize your code in a hierarchical manner. Child classes can extend or override the behavior of the parent class, providing flexibility and maintainability in your code. ChatGPT.